I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my video. This is Lovely Monet, and I want to come and show you guys this vanity set that I got off of TikTok. I think it was like $130, and I will drop the link in the description, you guys. But this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. It's so pretty. I don't know if you guys watch TikTok a lot, but there's a lady on there that sells different types of vanities. And I did want to go with the cheapest one, but I got the one next to the cheapest one because I really don't want to spend too much money, and it might not be what it seems to be. But this is tea, you guys. This is so much tea. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. It has multiple shelves for your belongings, and of course there goes the mirror. And then I put like some of my perfume up there on the stand by the mirror, and yes, I still can see myself fully. And then on the lower stand I put some like face stuff, body oil stuff, candle, like some spray. Of course I got my tablet right there, and it comes with 2 drawers, and then it comes with a door. And then this is what's in my drawer right now, which is some glasses. Really not too much to put in there. Face mask, my jewelry box, that type of stuff, but that's the glass. Then also the other drawer has a glass, which is like my remote controls for my lighting, keys, my savings book. So you guys, this is tea. Tea, 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 tea. I love it. So if you guys want to get you one, go to TikTok shop and get you one. And then this is what's in my cabinet up under here. It's 2 shelves. I can put on like whatever row you want to put it on. Like it's 3 different rows. You put it on and just look how this door shut, you guys. Hold on. T, Glock that. So I got space for blow dryer to hang, and also it has like LED lights on, and not only those lights right there around the mirror. So this is the LED lights in there. Ain't that too cute? And it kind of shine on the floor up under the desk, and it shines like in the cabinet. So that's very cute. I feel like I don't get like 2 bad reviews, and that is one of the pieces of wood we had, it didn't have the like drilled hole like it was supposed to, so we had to go out to, I think, Walmart and get the tools and make the holes ourselves, which was sort of okay, but since we're not experts at it, it don't look great, but we did fix the issue at hand. I just didn't feel I feel like we came too far to take it down, package it back up, send it back to sender, and tell them to send me a whole new vanity. I didn't want that, so I just went and got the tools myself. I think we spent maybe $20 like on a tool set. We already had the other equipment here, so yeah, so we had to make like 4 pre-drill holes to fix the issue. And it's too many screws. It's so many screws, but this is very sturdy, you guys. Like, I'm pushing on it. Very sturdy. It's very sturdy. I feel like the material is great, so I think it will last a long time. When you travel with it, I mean, when you move or whatever and travel with it, might have to put like a blanket or some kind of covering on it to protect it, because I wouldn't take it down and rebuild it. But yeah, I give this I'm say 10 out of 10. I like it for the price. But you guys get you one. This make me feel so good. I asked my daughter now, is it childish? They said no, it looks very grown. I like it. This is not gonna be my forever vanity, but when I move to my forever home, I'll get a forever vanity. But if the girls don't have a vanity, please get a vanity. I feel like all women need a vanity. This is your spot, your area, your time to make yourself feel good. Whatever you need to decompress, whatever. Put your makeup on, do your hair. Yeah, I'm loving this. This is tea.